ready, pack the bags, let's go. The shuttle's the ticket through the channel we flow. Hitting the road with the spirit high free. EuroParc Lodge awaits us, gotta see what'll be. Cross the borders, baby, feel the open sky. Wind in our hair as the miles roll by. Recording every moment, capturing the thrill. Netherlands calling, it's a dream to fulfill. The borders, baby, feel the open sky. Wind in our hair as the miles roll by. Recording every moment, capturing the thrill. Netherlands calling, it's a dream to fulfill. Efteling come alive, hear the magic roar. Spending the day where fairy tales soar. Rides and wonders, every corner a new start. Got it all for you to share it from our hearts. Nights under the moon, sipping on something cool, humming a tune. Stories round the fire, laugh until we cry. Laugh on the road, just passing us by. Road maps and memories, etching our minds. Lost in the adventure, leaving shadow behind. Click, clack the camera, we're in the frame. Days of our lives never be the same. From UK to here, euphoria in full swing. Influence whispers making our hearts sing. Mystical places and castles in sight, documented it all through the day.
In the queue.
Yeah, I haven't been on tunnel since, well, forever, at least 20 years.
I've never been, so exciting. Okay.
Yeah, all good. I just feel like it's going to be a free fall when these barriers open.
Well, we're at front of the queue, so shouldn't be. Just gotta wait for that to go green. Nearly there.
Half hour, 35 minutes.
Quarter past this departure, and what is it now?
3 minutes to 7.
So, yeah, 20 minutes. We should be moving.
Good.
All the trains.
We're going to be downstairs or upstairs?
Downstairs by the look of it. Oh, going upstairs.
Attention please. Listen carefully to the following safety information. Please ensure that your handbrake is on and that your vehicle is in first gear or park. For your safety and comfort, we recommend that you stay with your vehicle. Do not stand or walk between the vehicles during the crossing.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah, nice easy journey.
Half an hour. And we're in France. What's the weather like? Oh, it's still early, so the sun's still coming out. Don't forget, right side of the road.
Right side of the road.
Got your bearings now?
No.
No?
No.
Hello, France. It's so much cheaper here. British. What even is that? Sausage and something?
It's tea tonight.
I'd actually eat that. I quite like them.
No, thank you. Still warm.
Oh, when in France. French breakfast. I'm not sure what it is. It's like a pain au chocolat, but it's got some different stuff in it, like custardy Josh is trying to figure out the headlamp stickers. Not that it's night time, but we'll let him figure that out. He doesn't seem very confident about this. All done?
Yeah, I think so.
Happy with it?
No?
How hard can it be? It's just putting a sticker on a headlamp.
It's got to be in the right position.
Well, we're not going to be driving until dark till tomorrow. I won't worry too much.
I think he's done it right.
What do you think?
Yeah, good.
Nice breakfast, very French.
Very French, very sweet. It's good, yeah. I've just realised as well, I didn't actually explain to you what we're doing. So, obviously, you've seen we've got the Eurotunnel. We're in France at the moment. We're going over to Netherlands, to a place that I can't really pronounce, which is like Kaatsheuvel.
No.
No?
No.
What was it then?
Kaatsheuvel.
Kaatsheuvel. We're like basing ourselves there. We've got a couple of cool things to do. We've got Efteling, which is a theme park right next door to us, so we might go there once or twice. Depends on how much fun we have, and just find some nice little towns and villages.
Yeah. Dutch towns. We go over to Belgium.
Yeah.
We're gonna maybe find somewhere over in France to break up a journey.
Yeah.
That's not just a supermarket, to get pastries and bread.
Yeah.
And salami.
Yeah, pastries, bread and salami. That's all we've done. But yeah, no, it's gonna be a good little trip.
Yeah, in the Eurotunnel was pretty painless, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was a bit nervous about it, but I think like as soon as you come off from the Eurotunnel, they throw you straight onto a motorway, so you're in the thick of it.
Yeah.
Which was a bit.
It wasn't bad though.
No,
it wasn't
not
heavy
at all.
traffic, and it was pretty simple.
It was like 9 o'clock in the morning, so traffic wasn't.
I think it was earlier than that.
Was it? I don't know. It's only an hour time difference, and I'm already messed up.
Yeah, but we got to the Folkestone Eurotunnel a bit early, so they let us on the earlier train, so that's thrown our times off a bit.
Yeah, that has. Yeah, we've got an extra hour to waste until we can check into Kaatsheuvel.
Yeah, so we're staying at a Euro camp. Is it Euro? No, it's a EuroParc.
Yeah, which is, from what I've seen, it looks a bit like a UK centre parks.
Yeah.
Where it's got all the activities. It's got like chalets and lodges and
Yeah,
different
it's all
things to
around little lakes, isn't it? So
yeah.
should be nice. We'll see what that's like. Weather's nice. We have arrived. We're at EuroParcs Kaatsheuvel. First time here. Looks very nice.
Put it here while we go into the reception.
Well, I think the reception's that way. So Yeah, let's go check in. Just got to find our
Cabin?
cabin. Is it a cabin? Lodge? If Josh doesn't get too lost.
Yeah, should be alright. I'm pretty sure this one here is ours. So the bedroom is on the back. Right, so just arrived in the EuroParcs in Kaatsheuvel in Netherlands. It's about 6 p.m. So I just thought I'd show you around. Got a nice dining room area and kitchen with a fridge, oven and a dishwasher, and looking straight out onto the lake. Right, behind this door, separate WC. We've got a spare bedroom in there, but we use it as a dumping ground at the moment, so we won't show that. We have a bathroom. And we've got the double bedroom. Plenty of storage. And that's looking out onto the woods behind. I thought while we do have some daylight on the first night, show the outside. We've got a nice little outside seating area, and that door over there is the one that goes into the kitchen, so you can have breakfast out here tomorrow. So you can't park right outside your place, but there's loads of little car parking spaces around, and we're just up there, the only car in here with a UK sticker. But it's a nice easy drive over, straight through France, Belgium, straight up into the Netherlands, and we're here. I think we'd definitely be doing this one again.
Did the gnome tell you all his secrets?
No, it's not in.
Oh,
Maybe tomorrow.
maybe tomorrow.
Morning guys, so we are on day 2 and it is really bright this morning actually. We are off to Efteling today, which is the theme park, which I'm really excited to go into because I haven't looked at hardly anything online about it. I wanted a massive surprise, but Kay, being Kay, has done all her research, so we will take you along for that. Probably leaving in about an hour's time, so get there as gates open. Right, I thought I'd get out first thing in the morning just to see what everything's like and see if I can find a place to fly my drone where I'm not going to annoy too many people. So like I was saying yesterday, there are plenty of car parking spaces and little car parks dotted around. Looks like these places you can actually park next to your accommodation. Right, let's get this thing up in the air.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to Efteling,
We are.
which is a theme park which is supposed to be better themed than Disneyland.
Supposedly, yeah.
So, looking forward to that.
Yeah, just gotta go get the car. Apparently it's only like a 5-minute drive.
Yeah, I think I saw it on the drone, but I'm not going to say I saw it because I might be wrong.
So you've had spoilers then, have you?
No, I've seen something that looks like a castle. We did see that really cool church when we were going to the supermarket yesterday, and from a distance we thought that was Efteling, but it was just like a load of spires.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we're parked just over here. Our house is the one behind this one. So not far. And then we have to find our way out because it's quite complicated.
Nah, it's not.
It is.
No, once you get your bearings, you're all right. Well, I am.
Didn't you say you got lost this morning?
That was between us.
Sorry.
It's very busy. I think it's been open about an hour. Oh yeah. If the camera can just see, it means the what's he called? Pardo. Yeah, he's a jester and he's like the Mickey Mouse of the park.